Hey everyone. So in this video today we are talking about that how to install Google Play games on your PC actually. So we already know Google Play games only we are using on that mobile devices. So recently Google introduced that beta version of that mobile instead of mobile you can use that PC actually. So in that part as you can see that any number of games you can install in your PC and you can play around that actually. So don't skip that video and let's deep dive into that. All right, the first stage is I'll just check the minimum requirements. So in that minimum requirements, so Windows 10 you need and SSD drive with an OS, so minimum 10 GB of space. And as you can see that Intel Ultra HD graphics 630 or NVIDIA that is fine. And a processor 4 CPU physical cores that means a minimum i3 or i5 i7 like that and 8 GB of RAM, and if obviously you have that admin account and the hardware visualization must be turned on. So if you have that, so you can go with that actually. And recently, all the laptops, new laptops, so this kind of things available there. So I can download that download beta. So I can save it. So after the downloading, I can just right click in and I can just open it. So after that, it will be started to installation. Once the installation started, so it will be downloading that some Google Play related files. It will be get downloading. So we need to wait for until it's get complete. Now it's downloading. So let me wait. Yeah, now it's download complete. So it's initializing. Let's just be patient. Once the first package is completed, so the second stage would be download started. So it's a small package, so it will be take around within 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes. That's all. So let's be wait. Now it started to installation part. Yeah, now beta play games started. So this is the window. So in that we need to sign in with the Google account. So let me sign in. Now I just sign in my Google account. So after that, you can safely close this window. So I can just close it, and so here is my profile. So I can just switch it. Looks good, and after that I can choose accept and privacy policy. Also I can just finish. So after that, your Google Play games it will get started. So here is the main window. So as you can see that all the games there. Even you can play that Call of Duty, PUBG, and Free Fire. So anything like kind of games. So instead of mobile, you can use this. Yeah, PC actually. So it's time saver, right? So you don't need to install all the stuff in your mobile. So keep your mobile as free and give a stress to your PC. And inside that there is a connect with the other gamers, so there is a beta communities there, so you can connect with the other things, other gamers, and you can just play with around that actually. So it will be really crazy, right? So on your PC you can, without on any BlueStack or any emulator, so you can just install and you can download the game inside that. So for example, if I enter that, so I can just simply install the game, and after that I can just connect with the other gamers and I can play around that, right? So that's a pretty amazing beta version actually. And you can just simply install that install button. So after that it will be get downloaded actually. So after that you can just play that same as method of mobile actually. So hope you guys, if you really like that video, please subscribe my channel for more videos like this in the future. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, Please hit the like button and consider to subscribe our channel for more videos like this in the future. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and colleagues who might find it useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below and we'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.